Hey YouTube, 3D Printed Life here. I know, 2 videos in 1 week. It's insane. What's going on? I just wanted to, well, first of all, I want to show off. I just got a new monitor, and it's incredible. It's a LG QHD ultra wide 34-inch monitor. I only just got it like an hour ago, but it is awesome. But I wanted to first of all announce where I have accepted a job at, and second of all correct a few things from yesterday regarding the TronXY X5s review. Or maybe that was today, depending when I post this. First of all, let's talk about the TronXY. So there were a few things that have changed since I first got my TronXY. One for the better, one for the worse. Let's go with the worst first. The price has increased. It is now about $365, which is around an $80 increase over the old price, which sucks. However, I would still highly recommend the printer at this higher price point. Again, like I mentioned in the previous video, if you are looking for a plug-and-play solution, the CR10S is a much better large-scale option. However, if you don't mind doing a bit of tweaking, the TronXY X5s has much more potential, and it is still about $140 cheaper, so that is definitely the printer I would recommend for most people who are comfortable with doing a few mods. Now, the good news is they have fixed the belt situation, partially. You will still have to buy new bearings because they still use the bearings inside of 2 metal washers as the idler instead of a proper idler where the edges of the guide rotate along with the actual center of it, you know, like a normal idler. So you will still have to replace the bearings. However, they fixed the belt layout so that it is parallel like it should be. I believe their solution was basically the same as this, to just have these pulleys offset and then have one side attach over here. So you really don't need to replace this anymore, but I would still recommend at least replacing the idlers. You don't have to worry about replacing all the plates now because those should be fine, but at least replace the idlers with something like this so that you have a better experience. So other than that change, the rest of the printer, as far as I know, is pretty much the same. So you're still going to have a great experience. It's still going to be the same build volume. Still, it's going to be the same good print quality. Still would recommend upgrading the hot end and the extruder, and optionally adding a better heated bed pad to the bottom and upgrading the electronics. So again, still would recommend. The final price now for the TronXY X5s with the E3D Volcano and an E3D Titan and the upgraded bearings is going to be around $500 or so, which is a bit more than before, but still not bad at all considering what you get. Now, second, I would just like to announce where I'm working. I am super excited to say that I've actually accepted a position at Formlabs. I'm going to be working as a kind of mechanical engineer mix, so probably going to be doing mechanical and firmware stuff, working on an R&D team on some top secret new stuff, which is going to be really exciting. I really can't wait to get started there. I think it's going to be a pretty awesome experience. Going to get to work with those pretty incredible SLA printers all day and try out some new stuff. That's pretty much it for this video though. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you later.